So, you're about to drop $1,000 on a new laptop. Hold on a second. What if that's the wrong move? For a lot of us, the perfect device isn't a laptop at all. Let's be real. Laptops can be clunky, their fans get loud, and the battery always seems to die at the worst possible moment. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 tablets from 2026 that aren't just more portable and flexible, but are actually more powerful than the basic laptops you might be looking at. We've spent weeks testing these to find out if the age of the laptop as our default choice is finally coming to an end. I know what you're thinking. There's no way a tablet can replace my laptop. And look, for some people that's true. If you're a hardcore coder or a pro video editor who lives in desktop software, then yeah, a laptop is probably still for you. But for the rest of us, the millions who spend our day browsing the web, writing, taking video calls, and getting creative, the game has seriously changed. Before we jump in, do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button. We're constantly testing the newest tech to help you spend your money wisely. Kicking things off at number 5 is Samsung's newest flagship, the successor to the mighty Tab S10 Ultra. This isn't just a tablet, it's a portable command center. With its absolutely massive 14-plus-inch AMOLED screen, multitasking on this thing is a total dream. But the secret sauce is Samsung DX. One tap and your tablet transforms into a desktop-style interface, letting you run a bunch of apps in different windows just like on your computer. Throw in its latest Snapdragon processor and up to 16 GB of RAM, and this beast can juggle dozens of browser tabs and demanding apps without even flinching. It's made for the power user who craves a huge digital canvas. The only catch is, all that screen makes it a little less portable, and it definitely has a premium price tag. Coming in at number 4 is the tablet that's still the gold standard for creative pros, the Apple iPad Pro with the M4 chip. This thing is an absolute powerhouse. Apple first dropped the M4 chip into the iPad Pro back in 2024, and it feels less like a tablet chip and more like a full-blown MacBook processor. It handles everything from 4K video editing to heavy-duty graphic design without breaking a sweat. The Ultra Retina XDR display is, simply put, the best screen you can get on a mobile device, with mind-blowing brightness and color accuracy. And when you snap on the Apple Pencil Pro and the redesigned Magic Keyboard, it becomes a serious creative workstation. The main hurdle is still iPadOS. It's fantastic for touch, but it just can't run the full desktop apps that some professionals need. Still, if your work happens in the Apple ecosystem, it doesn't get better than this. At number 3, we have the answer for everyone on Team Windows, the latest Microsoft Surface Pro. This is where the line between a tablet and a laptop just vanishes. Why? Because it runs the full version of Windows 11 thanks to the new Snapdragon X Plus or X Elite processors. That means you can use all of your normal desktop programs with zero compromises, which is a massive leg up on Android and iPadOS. Plus, these new ARM-based chips are not only super fast, but also crazy efficient, giving you the kind of all-day battery life you just didn't get from a Windows machine before. With its famous kickstand and detachable keyboard, its versatility is off the charts. You'll still have to shell out extra for the keyboard and pen, but running real desktop apps makes the Surface Pro a genuine laptop killer. Our number 2 pick is for the smart buyer who wants serious power without that flagship price, the successor to the Lenovo Tab P12 Pro. Lenovo is fantastic at making high-performance tablets that are all about getting things done. You get a gorgeous, high-res 12 to 13-inch screen and a processor that's powerful enough for heavy multitasking, often matching what Samsung offers in its pricier models. But what really makes Lenovo stand out is the value. They frequently include the stylus, and sometimes even the keyboard, right in the box, so you're ready to go from day one. With a dedicated productivity mode that gives you a desktop-like experience, this tablet is built for work. It's the smart move for any student or professional who needs a dependable machine without paying for the absolute peak performance of a Pro or Ultra model. We're about to get to the number 1 spot, but I want to hear from you. Are you thinking of swapping your laptop for a tablet? Drop a comment below and let me know why or why not. Also, if you want to know more about products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are given in the description below. And finally, our number 1 pick, the tablet that I think is the absolute best choice for most people in 2026, is the Apple iPad Air with the M4 chip. This is the one that changes everything. For years, the iPad Air was a great middle-of-the-road tablet, But by putting the ridiculously powerful M4 chip from the Pro model into the much more affordable Air, Apple created a monster. You get the exact same core performance for hundreds of dollars less than the Pro. It chews through nearly any demanding task you can imagine with the same speed. Sure, you're giving up the Pro's super smooth 120Hz Pro Motion display and its advanced OLED screen, but the Liquid Retina display on the Air is still beautiful, and more than enough for most of us. It works with the same great Apple Pencil Pro and Magic Keyboard, turning it into an amazing work machine. It's the perfect mix of power, price, and portability, and it's the tablet you should seriously look at before you buy that new laptop. So, there you go, 5 tablets in 2026 that are forcing us to rethink what a personal computer can be. If you're a Windows user who needs desktop software, the Surface Pro is your best bet. If you're the ultimate Android power user, you'll want the Samsung Galaxy Tab. For the top-tier creative professional, the iPad Pro is still the king. But for almost everyone else, the incredible performance and value of the M4 iPad Air make it the smartest choice on this list. The way we work and play is changing, and sticking to the old habit of just buying another laptop might mean you're missing out. Thanks for watching. I'll drop links to all these tablets down in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.